How to install MSB Parent USA app? So just tap get, and then this is the app for school payments made easy. My school box makes school meal payments easy for busy parents on the go. Quickly and securely add money to your student school meal account using your credit card, debit cards, or electronic check. You can also view recent cafeteria purchases and check current meal account balances for your student. My school box is backed by Heartland Payment System, one of the largest, most trusted payment processors in the United States. From the classroom to the cafeteria, pay online anytime, browse your school store, purchase items, see what they're grabbing in the cafeteria. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can allow to send notifications. You can just create an account, just enter first, last name, email, pass, state, school district. You just need to search for the school district, and then you just basically add your account, and then you can just top it up. You can see what's your student balance, and you can see all the transactions. Keep track also of your kids spending, so it's quite convenient just from the app to add just school money to the student meal account. And that's basically how it works. So try that out. That's basically the idea. There are some reviews, pretty high average rating, great, but autopay doesn't work. Useful, always has issues. Some people not that happy, but some people are happy. So give it a try.